Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my FabFitFun Summer unboxing. So if you guys want to see what's inside, then keep watching. First, I just want to let you guys know that this is not sponsored. FabFitFun has no idea who I am. Second, I will leave a link down below for you guys to sign up for FabFitFun. It's not an affiliate link, but like I get a little something, and I think you'll get a little something if you sign up using my link. And three, all the products and all their prices and the total price of this box will be listed down below in the description box. Okay, so I literally just got the box like an hour ago, and I did open it just to take like a little peek and to just, you know, undo the sticker, because I knew I would be fighting with that. So I love the box this month. It's so pretty and colorful, perfect for summer. And this is what the inside looks like. It just says FabFitFun Taste of Summer. I'm guessing that's what the box is called. Every box always comes with this like little magazine thing, and in this magazine it always just has like little stories and stuff, and it also always has all the prices of all the products. So I just want to open to that page really quick so I can tell you all the prices of everything. First, I'm going to start out with this Pier 1 Imports thing. I think this is a marble ring dish that retails for $14.99, and on this paper it says it's an exclusive launch. Ooh, this is really pretty. So it's just a little plate, has like a nice gold outline, and then it's like marble. I'm excited for this. I really wanted a jewelry plate for my dresser, so this just saved me money on getting one. I was gonna get one from Five Below too, so I'm glad I got this. Super, super pretty. Next is this Tarte item, and this is the Tarteist Pro Glow palette. They had two Tarte options. One of the other option was the To Go palette, which I'm so happy I didn't get. I was really nervous that I was gonna get this because I already have it. And then you also got the Sex Kitten liquid liner, because that together, the palette and the eyeliner, was $43, and then this alone was $45. So I'm super happy I got this. I've seen it before and just never really touched it. I hope the highlight's okay because there's like powder everywhere. It's a little banged up. Nothing too bad. So it looks like you have a bunch of highlighters and then a cream contour and a powder contour shade. Really excited. The shadows look, or the shades look really pretty. I'm gonna swatch. Oh, this is like out. Or is it like a liquid? I don't know. Okay, so this first shade I'm going to swatch is Lit. Nice and like a subtle highlight. Then we have Strobe right next to it. These are horrible swatches, I'm so sorry. Then Fire and ooh, Stunner. Stunner's pretty. Really pretty highlights. I like them. So I'm excited to try this out. I think I might pop this in the freezer though because of the one shade, so we can just, you know, get pressed back nicely. Next we have this Summer Rose beach towel. I got this really cute like pineapple print. It is this one right here, and this is $55 beach towel. Why? Because it's oversized? I don't know. But my mom's gonna hate me for getting another beach towel because we have so many, but this was a choice. It was either this, you got to choose between this or a makeup bag, like a travel makeup bag, which I have so many makeup bags, and I thought a towel would be just a better choice. Next up is this Jaboneria Marianella, totally botched that, Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. This was also a choice as well. This is $48. This is a body scrub. Oh my god, this is so funny. I wanted to get a body scrub too. So this is going in my shower tonight. This is just a luxury body treatment made with natural ingredients to work together to exfoliate, condition, and hydrate all at once. So my skin's peeling like crazy right now. It's so gross. So I want an exfoliator. Oh, this kind of smells nice. It smells very tropical. I don't want to show it to you guys because it's got like a water liquidy stuff in it. So very excited for this. Next we have this COOLA Classic Face Sunscreen. Perfect. I need a face sunscreen, so I'm excited for this. And a lot of people have been getting stuff from COOLA I've seen lately. This retails for $32. This is an exclusive launch as well. I forgot to mention I chose this body scrub. I was able to choose between a ring and an anti-stress muscle gel. So I chose the exfoliator, which was smart thinking. So this is what the sunscreen looks like. I really like the packaging, it's really pretty. So this is a sunscreen that doubles as a moisturizer, which sounds awesome. I'm very excited for this. Very excited. I might be using this in the mornings. So next up is this cute little wallet thing from Minor History, and it retails for $20. I guess this was supposed to be a choice also. I don't remember. But it's really cute. It's good for cards. That's what it says. So you could just put your credit cards and your ID in there. Perfect space for that. Also has space for like a couple dollars as well. Super cute. Really good if you're going out and just want something little. This is also good if you just don't carry cash. Like sometimes I don't carry cash with me. To just double as a wallet, and you can throw it on your pocketbook as well. Really, really cute. Next item I think is the most exciting, and that is this little guy, and this is a FOREO. We got a FOREO in the box. Think about it. This retails for $89, so round that up to $90. The box itself, I pay like $50. You got a $90 product in this, so I'm so excited for this. I have a fake FOREO I bought from CVS, so I'm really, really, really excited to try this because that's awesome. Like a FOREO. This is the FOREO LUNA fofo. Is that what it's called? So excited. It says, guess what? You're one of the first to get your hands on FOREO's newest revolutionary device. It's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to a newly launched FOREO LUNA app. Cool. So cool. So from my understanding is you download an app and you can get it on the App Store or Google Play. And yeah, I don't know. Do you guys want a whole video on this? Because I will gladly do one for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Next up, we have this ELEMIS Papaya Enzyme Peel. And this is a cream exfoliator. This sounds really cool. I think this was another choice. I think I picked this one and not that little wristlet thing, but I got both, so I'm not complaining. Ooh, it smells nice. I'm excited to try this, and this retails for, where is this? Oh, I did pick this because it was either a hair protectant or this. So I picked this, and this was $45. So the last thing I got in this box, I would have thrown away if I didn't see it. And this is, I'm assuming, what is a reusable straw. And it says, this straw saves marine lives. Visit giveusasip.us. So let's see. Oh no, it's just like a cardboard straw with like little turtles on it. How cute. Interesting. Yeah, it definitely can't be reused because it's cardboard, but that's pretty cool. So the total on my box will be right here up on my hand. The total can be anywhere between $321 and $367. It really just depends on what you got. So if you guys want to see any specific videos on anything that I got in this box, please let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.